Dumagsa ang mga nakikiramay sa huling gabi ng burol ni dating Senadora Miriam Defensor Santiago. Ang ilan sa kaniyang mga kaibigan at katrabaho nagbigay pugay sa dating Senadora sa ginanap na necrological service. Ang mainit na balita hatid ni Lia Manialac del Castillo.
Emosyonal na dumating sa burol ni Senadora Miriam Defensor Santiago ang aktres na si Heart Evangelista.
I'm very sad. I have no words. I'm sorry.
Dumalaw rin kagabi sina Senator Nancy Binay at dating Makati City Mayor Junjun Binay. Dumating din si Senador Franklin Drilon, dating Senador Manny Villar at iba pang mambabatas. Ayon naman kina Senadora Grace Poe at Senadora Laila De Lima, malaking kawalan si Santiago sa gobyerno.
Meron isang katulad niya na hindi umaatras sa laban pag naniniwala siya sa kanyang isinusulong. At talagang pag siya nagsalita, tahimik lahat. Ang kanyang katalinuhan, ang kanyang liderato, ang talagang mawawala sa atin.
We all know who she is, what she represents. She is one of the most courageous women, politicians that are.
Nagbigay pugay naman ng UP Corps and Cadets at UP Vanguard Incorporated sa Senadora. Inalala nila ang kontribusyon ng Senadora sa UP Corps, UP Women's Club at sa Philippine Collegian, ang official student publication ng UP Diliman. Si Santiago ang kauna-unahang babaeng editor-in-chief ng Collegian. Pagkatapos ng misa, nagbahagi ng kanilang mga alaala ng Senadora si Senate President Coco Pimentel na dati nitong estudyante sa law school.
Miriam Defensor Santiago was a unique personality. A student of theology, a teacher of constitutional law, a scholar of international law, a judge who became a senator of the Republic.
Senador Risa Ontiveros na kasama niyang nagsulong sa reproductive health bill.
I will, however, best remember Senator Miriam as the courageous champion of women's rights. She was one of our staunchest supporters in the passage of the reproductive health law.
Matalik na kaibigan at doormate sa UP na si Ginang Zenaida Lazaro.
It was such a very pleasant experience being with her. I feel that peace is a natural thing that is present whenever we are together.
Malapit na kaibigang si Heart Evangelista.
As I sat and waited for our plane to land this morning, I realized as I looked out the window that this could be the closest I could ever get to you now that you're gone.
At kapatid na si retired General Benjamin Defensor.
She will soon sleep in the arms of the Lord. And in the days to come, when she wakes up, she will answer a reveille. She will answer a reveille in heaven, and she will answer a roll call in the sky. And after she answers the roll call, the Lord will call her and he said, "Come, my good, my talented and faithful child. You have done well, you have kept the faith, you have fought the good fight."
Sa huli, isang masigabong palakpakan ang inialay ng lahat ng nakiramay bilang pagpupugay sa tinaguriang Iron Lady of Asia. Lia Manialac del Castillo, GMA News.